Hello, this is a community education video in English by Catholic Charities, Milwaukee. Today we will talk about a power of attorney for healthcare and why is it important for your medical care in the United States. We will share how this document can protect you and your family when there is a medical emergency or you suffer from a very serious illness. What are powers of attorney for healthcare? A medical power of attorney is a legal document that lets you give one person who you choose to make important legal decisions about your medical care. The power of attorney also lets you name a second person if the first person is not available. These decisions might be about medications, surgeries, end of life care, or other treatments. The first person is the one that doctors will talk to first. If they cannot get a hold of that person, then they will ask the second person. When do you need it? The person can only make decisions if you cannot make decisions for yourself. Two doctors, either medical doctors or clinical psychologists, will have to examine you and sign a form saying that you cannot make decisions for yourself. For example, your family would need this document if you have an illness that makes you not think clearly, like Alzheimer's. You are in a car accident that leaves you unconscious, or you are under anesthesia. What happens if you don't have it? In the US, if there is a medical problem that leaves you unable to think clearly or make decisions, the doctors can only provide you with emergency medical care if you do not have a medical power of attorney. They will tell your family that they need to name someone, your guardian. The legal guardian can then make decisions about your medical care. It is a long process to name a guardian, and the court will assign someone to your case. This person will talk to your family members to try to learn about you and what you want. Your family might not like someone they don't know asking about personal questions about your family. Choosing your medical care. When you create a medical power of attorney document, you will choose the people who can make decisions for you. This document can also detail what type of medical care you want. For example, do you want to be put on a machine that will breathe for you if your heart stops? Do you want doctors to restart it? Would you want tissue or organs put into your body that are from someone who has died? These are hard and uncomfortable conversations to have, but if you talk about this with your medical power of attorney, then your family doesn't have to guess about what you want, and the doctors will know what your wishes are and what you need. It will make sure that you get the health care that you want and when you need it. When does it start and stop? Your medical power of attorney can only make decisions when two doctors, one doctor and one psychologist, say that you are unable to make decisions. For example, if you have a stroke, perhaps for the first few days you cannot speak and decide what care you need. As you get better, you can start to make your own decisions and your medical power of attorney will stop. If you want to create your own medical power of attorney document in Wisconsin, there are two forms available online. You fill these out and have two people younger than you watch you sign it. They are called witnesses. Visit the link below for these forms. It is hard to think what might happen in life. A medical power of attorney will help your family prepare and know your wishes in an emergency. It can guide your family during difficult times and make it easier for them. Thank you for watching. Please share with your family and friends and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you to our sources who provided information for this video. Thank you to our partners at Milwaukee Public Schools. This project is funded in part through a City of Milwaukee grant of Federal Community Development Funds.